algebra students, we are going to solve equations with variables on both sides. So prior to this, we were just doing with x on one side or a variable on one side of the equation, but now it happens when it's on both sides. And I'm going to show you a method that's called the box method. And it has to do with combining like terms and moving terms on the other side of the equal sign. So our main goal here is to get x by itself, okay? So same deal, but we got to get those x's together. So with the box method, how this works is you're always going to bring down what's on the outside here. And we like to arrange it so that we have an x on one side and a number on the other when we put these in a box. So you're going to bring it down, put it in a box, bring down the -2, put it in a box. And then, so I want to get this 3x over here with this x. We want to reunite them. Okay, reunited, and it feels so good. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this 3x over and we're going to put it in a box, but notice it's crossing this equal sign right here. So anytime a term crosses the equal sign, it's going to be a -3x. The sign is going to change right here. So now what we have is we're going to bring this 4 over and we cross the equal sign. It's like crossing a river or something, I don't know. But so that sign is going to change, and that's going to be a -4. Now let's go ahead and combine like terms. So when we have 5x and -3x, now we're going to have 2x right here in this box. And then we have a -4 and a -2. Combine like terms, that's going to be a -6. Hey, what do you know? Now we just have a one-step equation right here. So 2x equals a -6. We're really good at solving these one steps. We're just going to go ahead and divide by 2 on both sides. So x equals a -3. Very good. All right, next one. Again, we're going to do the box method. Go ahead and pause the video and write this down. We're going to go ahead and drop the values that are on the end here. Again, one should be a variable and one should be a number that doesn't have a variable on it. So let's go ahead and put those in a box. And put the 3n in a box, drop it down. Here's our equal sign. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the n's together. So I'm going to bring this 5n, this -5n over. I'm going to put it in a box. Notice we cross that equal sign, so the sign is going to change. That's going to become a +5n. And the 64, I'm going to go ahead and bring that over here. And the sign is going to change. It's going to be a -64. And now we can just combine like terms. So 5n and 3n, what's that going to be? Right, that's going to be an 8n. And then -8 and -64, put those together. What am I going to get? A -72. So those are equal to each other. And how do I get n by itself? Right, I'm going to divide, and I'm going to rewrite it here. I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides. So -72 divided by 8, n is going to equal a -9. We are not going to forget about our negatives. Very, very good. All right, so let's do one more together. Go ahead and write this down. Pause the video if needed. So notice this is a little different. We have to combine like terms first. So a -7x and a -3x. I'm going to go ahead and put those together. That's going to be a -10x plus 2 equals a -8x minus 8. So let's do our box method here. I'm going to go ahead and drop down the -10x, put it in a box, drop down the -8, put it in a box. Maybe my box just disappeared. Oh geez. Malfunction, malfunction. There we go. Drop down my equal sign here. Okay, I'm going to bring my x's together. Bring this over here. The sign changes. Notice this is a negative 8x, so it's going to change. So that's going to be a positive 8x when we do that. Bring the 2 over here, put it in a box, change the sign because we crossed the equal sign. So a negative 10x plus 8x, that is going to be a negative 2x. Put it in a box. Negative 2 plus negative 8, that's going to be a negative 10. Put it in a box. All right, now we just have a one-step equation. Woohoo! Easy peasy. Negative 2x equals a negative 10. We're going to go ahead and just divide by a negative 2, and then x equals 5. We got it right. All right, awesome. All right, that's all I have for you today. Enjoy this box method. Come with questions, and we'll see y'all later.